Well, Hurricane Irma is currently between Cuba and the Bahamas. It's projected to hit Florida in the next 2 days. The storm carries winds of up to 150 miles an hour. It has already ripped through several Caribbean islands.
Scared as hell about my house.
It's a race against time now in South Florida and beyond.
I get the feeling this is the way it's going to be.
With hundreds of thousands of residents ordered out. The storm, now wider than the Florida peninsula, forecasters saying it could pave a path of destruction the length and width of the state.
Every Florida family must prepare to evacuate, regardless of the coast you're on.
What is up, guys? And today is vlog 2.2, 2.5, however you want to say it. This is our second vlog for Vlog Wednesdays. And if you haven't checked out the second one, the one before this, click this little card and it'll be there, and I'll also put it down in the description. So basically, the reason why I'm doing two vlogs this Wednesday is because in the middle of the night, my mom woke me up and was like, hey, we need to leave. Check this out. So like you guys saw, Governor Rick Scott declared literally a state of emergency, and everyone, if you can, needs to get out of Florida. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Currently, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to leave Florida and go check out my little brother who goes to Ohio Wesleyan University, plays football there. So we're like, yo, let's like get out of town and just make it a trip to go see my little brother. So about to pack. I'll show you guys that, and I'll see you in a little bit. Finally, guys, I'm ready to go. Currently it is 1:35 and it takes 13 hours to get to Columbus, Ohio, but with this freaking traffic, hopefully we get there in about 14, 15, not like 17, 18. So I'll keep you guys posted. Wish me the best of luck, and I'll see you in a little bit. Oh no. The darkest stairs ever. The darkest stairs. Oh, almost fell. I swear, almost fell. There we go. Here we go. You still with me, homie? What's up, guys? So I haven't even left Florida yet, but just look at this. Caution on the gas. All over here, each one. Currently at Wawa, by the way, but it's crazy. I've never seen anything like this. Like, every pump, caution. So just want to let you know, getting back on the road, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
That is insane. They're like, we ain't stopping for gas. Just pull over to the side of the road and pour the tanks in.
You know that's the plan.
Oh my God. They have the largest 5-gallon, and they have like a little ledge there just for the gallons.
Just for the gallons. Morning, guys. We're still on the road. It's actually, what time is it? 7:25 a.m. And I hope you guys enjoy the footage so far. I think we still got like 9 more hours till we're supposed to get to our destination, so a lot more footage. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in a little bit.
Going right past all of that. And we are. Yes, we are. That's called a good GPS.
We are in the middle of nowhere.
There's some folks right there. They got a good GPS system too. Look at all that traffic.
Finally,
Look. They are
civilians.
stopped. They are going nowhere as we are driving by.
No, low key, I see like.
Oh, a little bit, but they're not moving like us.
These bitches be nagging the kid. Fuck it, it is what it is. If you get hit, you get hit. I don't forgive and forgive.
This is different, oh baby, cause someone call away. I know you wanna see me. One call. Don't let them hold you down. Please fall the star. You had it cool, but not too many. Cause you're the only one. I'll give you certain. I'm in the change from a.
Oh, what's up, guys? Finally taking a little stretch to get out the car, maybe go to the bathroom a little bit. We're at currently Mickey Days. So I think we're about, what time is it? 12? Okay, so yeah, we're 7 hours away. Making a little progress. The traffic has died down, so that's a good thing. And then just get something to eat real quick, and then get back on the road. So it's currently 6:07 and we've been on the road for about 13 hours, 13 and a half hours. And it's crazy because, like I said to you guys earlier, getting to Ohio takes 13 hours. It's 13 hours and a half and we're still in Virginia.
And that's 13 hours with traffic.
Yeah, with traffic and everything. So we're about 4 hours out from Ohio Wesleyan and my brother. And it's just crazy. I didn't realize how much I just hate car rides because I haven't done this trip in a while. I normally just fly. And like, it's 13 hours, I'm just antsy and my legs hurt. I'm 6'5", so like just sitting in the car all day is not like conducive to my body. So
And then we're stuck in this mess.
we're stuck every time we turn around. There's always something. So hopefully we get there by like 9:30, 10 o'clock. I'll keep you guys posted. But for now, I'm gonna take a nap. And I'll see you guys when we get to our destination.
Like, we are stopped. You should show them that. Nothing moving. Nothing.
What's up, guys? So, finally made it. I'm actually waiting for my brother to come. He should be here any second now. But, yeah. Finally made it to OU. So, it's lit. Oh!
What up, dude?
What up,
How was
man?
the trip?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What up, vlog? What up?
Yeah, it was cool. Shit, I got it. You right. All right, y'all. I'm about to go shower. I need to get out this dirty clothes, and then we're gonna get ready for the party. So I'll see y'all in a little bit.